Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now a look at the headlines. Sessions Court rejects anticipatory bail petition of Tarun Tejpal. Tarun Tejpal avoids public display by surrendering himself at crime branch. Afghani movie Beatrice War bags prestigious Golden Peacock Award. IFFI concludes on Saturday. Ramo dazzles. Freedom fighter Sinari slams present government over Kaitu's Portuguese citizenship. King Cray says citizenship and patriotism are two different issues. Goa is an example for other states in India, says Bollywood director Rohit Shetty. I would love to visit Goa again, says Hollywood star Michelle Yeoh. And batsmen let Goa down. Tripura need 184 runs to win. Group C Ranji Trophy match at Porvorim poised for result. Now news in detail. Finally, Panaji Sessions Court denied bail to rape accused and former editor of Tehelka Tarun Tejpal. Judge Anuja Prabhu pronounced the order after contemplating on all provisions of law for more than 3 hours. Police have started procedure to take remand of Tejpal for custodial interrogation.
मैं आपसे जानना चाहूँगा, आज अदालत ने अपना फैसला दिया है, एंटीसिपेटरी बिल को रिजेक्ट किया, क्या कहा है अपने फैसले में?
देखिए, हम खाली एक बात कहना चाह रहे हैं कि तरुण ऑलरेडी क्राइम ब्रांच में हैं, वो पहले से ही क्राइम ब्रांच में थे, क्योंकि हम ये चाहते हैं कि आपको मालूम होना चाहिए कि हर वे में हमने बिल्कुल 100% से भी ज़्यादा कोऑपरेट किया है और हम ऑलरेडी क्राइम ब्रांच की इन्वेस्टिगेशन को ज्वाइन कर चुके हैं।
ऐसी कोई जानकारी, क्योंकि जो हमारे संवाददाता वहाँ मौजूद हैं, उनके मुताबिक तरुण तेजपाल को गिरफ्तार कर लिया गया है, तो ऐसे में अब आपका अगला कदम क्या होगा? क्योंकि गिरफ्तारी के बाद में
देखिए, हम खाली एक बात एम्फसाइज करना चाहते हैं, ट्रायल जो होगी, ट्रायल का आगे फैसला होगा। अभी सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट बात है कि हमको इन्वेस्टिगेशन ज्वाइन करनी थी, कोर्ट का फैसला है, हमने इन्वेस्टिगेशन ज्वाइन कर ली है।
Finally, no respite for Tarun Tejpal. Panaji Sessions Court has rejected his anticipatory bail plea on late Saturday evening. Judge Anuja Prabhu pronounced the verdict. Verdict was earlier expected by 4:30, but it took 3 hours for the order to be pronounced. Later, Tarun Tejpal was formally arrested. Tarun was at crime branch since 4 in the evening to avoid public display of arrest. Earlier, Tarun Tejpal's anticipatory bail plea hearing began with heated arguments between prosecution and public prosecutor. Tejpal's lawyer argued that his client was cooperating with investigating officers and hence arrest was not needed. This is what defense lawyer argued. Tarun Tejpal is cooperating in interrogation. No need of police custody. Tejpal will not leave country. Offers to stay in Goa till needed. Tejpal ready to surrender his passport and mobile phone. Tejpal will fully cooperate with investigating officers. Tejpal's arrest will affect him and his family. And this is what public prosecutor argued. Public prosecutor slammed Tejpal. Said this case is sensitive. Tejpal's police custody required for investigations. Tejpal is frequently changing his version of incident. Victim is firm on her version from day one. CCTV footage clears that Tejpal committed the crime. Accused tried to pressurize victim's family. Victim girl has already deposed her statement before magistrate. Finally, Goa police formally arrested Tehelka founder Tarun Tejpal. Tarun Tejpal will be produced before judicial magistrate on Sunday morning. Bureau Report, Prudent.
The prestigious Golden Peacock Award was won by Beatrice War, an Afghan feature film. 10 days IFFI concluded on Saturday. Hollywood actress Michelle Yeoh, Bollywood legend Asha Parekh graced the concluding ceremony with other glitterities. Director Rohit Shetty was felicitated for showcasing Goa in most of his films. It was our own Goan pop sensation Ramo who livened up and dazzled the IFFI concluding ceremony, making it a memorable affair.
My heartiest congratulations really must go to the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting and the Government of Goa for this fine achievement and making IFFI one of the world's most highly respected film festival in the world. Congratulations. Today, the world is a smaller place than ever. We're connected in ways that were unthinkable a generation ago. A movie made in Mumbai can reach an audience in New York or London instantly.
Favorite places in Goa? You're a specialist on Goa.
The whole of Goa, I think. To make films which are larger than life, you need a strong support system. And the strong support system for me has been the Goa government and the people of Goa.
The Special Jury Award goes to Onur Unlu. The Best Female Actor Award goes to the Polish actor Magdalena Bogzarska. The Best Male Actor Award goes to the Israeli actor Alon Moni Abotpol. The Best Director Award goes to Kaushik Ganguly for the Bengali film Apur Panchali.
Mr. Mahendra Soni, producer of Apur Panchali, receiving the award.
The Golden Peacock Award for the best film goes to the film from East Timor, Beatrice's War.
The Centenary Award goes to the film Tehelka Tarun.
Goa is the best, and so is the infrastructure and serene environment. This is how Bollywood film director and producer Rohit Shetty described Goa. He said, Goa should be an example to rest of the states in India. Likewise, Hollywood actor Michelle Yeoh said she would love to visit Goa time and again.
Very, very honored to be back again. You know, I was here for the lady, and I thank the organizers for inviting me, and I hope they will continue to do so. And congratulations for always having such a wonderful people around it.
Rohit Shetty, who is a renowned film producer and director, is fond of Goa. Most of his films are being shot in Goa, which turned into blockbuster films. May it be from Golmaal, Singham, All the Best, and the recent blockbuster Chennai Express. All had a sequence shot in Goa. Have a look.
Myself Rahul, 40 साल का हो गया और नॉर्मली इस एज तक हर किसी की लाइफ में एक आधा बड़ा ट्विस्ट तो आ ही जाता है। मेरी लाइफ में भी एक ट्विस्ट आया, बहुत बड़ा ट्विस्ट, जिससे मेरी लाइफ ही बदल गई।
I love Goa, yeah. But coming here and shooting here is possible because of the authorities, the people out here, the friendly nature of them, and the kind of support we get from the government. I think that encourages us to shoot here more and more. And I think it's a beautiful state, Panjim especially. It's like, it's so neat, clean. I think other cities of the country should take it as an example. My biggest competitor is a film was released in August, 8th of August. That guy, director Rohit Shetty. So I'm in competition with my previous self. I need to do better than what I have done earlier.
Michelle Yeoh graced the closing ceremony of IFFI on Saturday, where Rohit Shetty was felicitated by Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar. Reporter Rohit Wadkar with video journalist Devendra Gaonkar for Prudent.
Freedom fighter Prabhakar Sinari feels that BJP is moving away from their ethics. Sinari opined that without thinking of crisis, government should disqualify Caeto Silva. Freedom fighter Prabhakar Sinari demanded that Portuguese consulate should be closed immediately. Meanwhile, another freedom fighter, Chandrakant Kenkre, says Caeto citizenship row is a matter of the court and nothing about patriotism. Unnecessary controversy has been created over this issue.
People will teach lesson to Bharatiya Janata Party if they do not disqualify Caeto and other MLAs on Portuguese citizenship. It is high time to teach a lesson on patriotism to Manohar Parrikar. Freedom fighter Prabhakar Sinari strongly condemned BJP for supporting Banauli MLA Caeto Silva over Portuguese nationality issue. He asked people to pull out Caeto and others from assembly, alleging that they are Portuguese national.
This is very dangerous. म्हणजे तांची लॉयल्टी ह्या देशान ना, तांची लॉयल्टी एल्सवेअर. आणि कशेंच हे सहन करूंक जायना. ही कॉन्सुलेट ताबडतोब बंद जावंक जाय. दिस इज रॉंग. तुम्ही देशद्रोह्यांक मदत करतात हांव म्हणपी. देश इट इज नॉट कायतू, पण इट इज ते हांकां पुर्तुगीजांक बीजेपीन सोडूंक जाय. काय हरकत ना. तुमचे 2 MLA कमी झाले किंवा आले, पण राष्ट्राची इब्रत करा. म्हाका दिसता बीजेपी इतली लोचे स्टँडर्डचेर आपण धरूंक नाशिल्ली. तेजे कितें करता ताका सपोर्ट मेळचो ना. आनी म्हाका खात्री आसा गोंयची जी जनता तांकां माफ करचे ना. ही गोष्ट ओडून काडूंक जाय लोकांनी तांकां भायर असेंब्लीनसून.
पर्रीकर सरकाराक देशप्रेम शिकोवची गरज पडटली.
म्हाका दिसता हय तो चूक लागला, ताचो कान पिळून ताका हाडूंक जाय जाग्यार.
Another freedom fighter, Chandrakant Kenkre, said that patriotism and Caeto Silva's controversies are two different issues. In case of Caeto's Portuguese citizenship issue, court is the final authority to decide.
इलेक्शन कमिशन हाजेर कितें जाय फुडें एपिला वचले. एपिला वचून जे कितें निर्णय लागतलो ताजे विरुद्ध समज लागलो आनी ताका भायर काडपाकच जाय. जर तो दोशी ठरलो तर ताका हें जावंकूच जाय, ताजे कडेन शासन जावंकूच जाय. इतले लोकांचें मत घेवन जेन्ना निवडून आयिल्लो आसा आनी आज तो एक MLA म्हणून जेन्ना तो वावुरता, ह्या मनशाक खरें म्हणजे तो ताणें कितें चोरलो आं, ताणें कितें फटयलां, कोणाक खून केला, ताणें कितें ब्रायबरी करून कितें पयशे कितें लुटले, अशें कांय करूंक ना. टेक्निकल पॉयंट आसा तो टेक्निकल पॉयंट आसा तो हाय लेवलचेर जो आसा तो सोडोवपाक तांच्यान जाता. आनी डेफिनेटली तसो सोडोवचो की हो प्रस्न जेन्ना एका गोंयकारा भितरलो जेन्ना प्रस्न आसा, गोंयकारपणाचो गोंयचो गोंयकारा भितरलो जेन्ना प्रस्न आसा, तेन्ना जसो एक पुर्तुगेज आनी गोंयकार हाजे बद्दल जो आमी जो विरोध दसला तशें ह्या विरोध हो विरोध आमी हाजे बद्दल दसूंक शकना अशें म्हाजें मत आसा. आमी विरोध करूंक शकता, करूंकूच जाय म्हणून म्हाका सिल्वाचें अशें म्हाका दिसता. हाका आमचे ह्या लेवलाचेर जें कितें चल्लां न्ही ताका कांय अर्थ ना. हाका ज्या पद्दतीन वचून जी पद्दत जी आसा त्या पद्दतीन वचून कितें जें आसा निर्णय दिवपी निमाणे कोर्ट आसा. ह्या न्यायालयाचेर आमची पूर्ण श्रद्धा आसा, अडट श्रद्धा आसा. आनी तो शेवटी कितें जर कोणाक कितें दिसता जायत ताणें तीच वचून तें मेळोवचें अशें आमचें मत आसा. हातूंत स्वातंत्र्य सेने कांय ना, तिळमात्रीय कांय ना. लागत ना कित्याक हातूंत भितर खंयचो पुर्तुगेज आमकां दिसना. हातूंत जर पुर्तुगेजा जर समजा त्या बोटीवेल्यान जसो एक ते पुर्तुगेज हांगा जेन्ना आयले आमकां येवप आहा तशें कोण जर आयले जाय ताणें दाखोवचें. अथवा तांणी सांगचें आमकां की आमी पुर्तुगेज म्हणून आमी पळयता म्हणून तांकां म्हणटा.
Bureau Report, Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.